camera? You like the camera?
Why am I random today?
Hi, hon.
Did you guys have your parent-teacher conferences yet?
I did yesterday.
I
Oh, hi, hon.
The teachers say I'm wonderful.
How's the camera, Travis?
No, I want to take a picture of you too.
I'm going to take a picture and take a video.
She likes me.
Yeah, sure.
She does not like her, just to let you know. Seriously, no. That's Olivia. Say hi, Olivia. I mean language, not... That's more like it. Bubsy. Not Bubsy. Frisco. Frisky.
Frisky out of me.
Cisco. Oh, there you go.
Cisco.
His real name's Frisco, but that will work too. Hi. That's Katie. She has like a little thing on her face. Those are her. That's Olivia's shoes. That's her socks. They're really scally. I said shoes. Yeah, hers. And here's Katie's shoes. It's Zoo York. It's unbreakable. And those are her shoes, but it looks better on Olivia. That's my fish tank. You see those little fishes right there? They're poisonous. Damn it. I didn't buy them, okay? That was my dad. He was going through a phase. It's not my fault. And there's Katie again. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. There's Olivia. That's my dad.
Hi.
See.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
And that's it. Thank you and have a nice day. How do you turn it off, Katie?
Go ahead. You press that thing down.